thanks very much for clicking on my video. I'm at the primary school today. There is a PQA open day. PQA is a Pauline Quirk Academy. It's a performing arts academy so it's for tiny ones, 4 years old, up to young adults for 18. They do all kinds of musical theatre, film and TV classes, and today they've got a free open day. My kids have gone in front because they think I'm embarrassing when I go walk in with them, so yeah, do you want to come with me and we'll go and check it out and see what PQA is all about, and hopefully speak to a few people, find out, you know, if you've got little ones or you're interested yourself getting involved, how you can get involved. So yeah, let's go and check it out.
All the happy days.
So now we're having a tour of like the different classes they do, but I was at the back of the queue and then I got talking to someone and I've lost them now, so yeah, I'm lost in the school. Just been given some directions and it's this way.
I can't believe we got lost.
Well, I can't. How can you get lost with a tour? They've left the microphone on. 1 2 1 2. So I managed to grab Lydia, who gave us a tour. She's the principal of PQA Weston-super-Mare, and I've got her here. I managed to grab hold of her. So Lydia, you know, if one of your children or yourself would like to get involved, how would they do that?
So please drop us a message on Facebook, PQA Weston-super-Mare, or Instagram, PQA_WSM, or drop me an email at lydia.macritchie at pqacademy.com, and I will happily arrange a free taster session for everyone. More the merrier, get involved.
There you go, free taster session. How can you like turn that down? These guys do like fantastic work, and like we've been around the classes to see what they do, and if your children or young adults are into performing arts, you know, get in contact with these guys. They know what they're doing. They've got a fantastic team, and
Thank you so
yeah,
much.
that's all right. I've really enjoyed today. It's been really good. I'll let you get back to it. I know you're busy. Thank you.
So much.
That's all right. Whoa, there's a wasp. Woo! Anyway, enough of that. Thanks very much for watching my video, guys. Check out PQA Weston, fantastic group of people, really good with children. My girls absolutely had a fantastic time, and I had a great time too. Got some chocolates, so yeah, all good. So check you guys out later, and see you later. Bye.